It's got a layer of epoxy on now, and now I've run out of epoxy basically. I think I might want to do one more layer before the paint. I put a tiny little round piece of tape to block off the screw hole, the plug hole, so hopefully that doesn't get epoxy dripping down into it. So I've finished epoxying the bottom. I've got 3 layers on there. There's 3 layers on the bottom and on all the planks as well. So what I've got to do now is just give it a final little sand with some 240 grit, and then that'll be that basically. Then it's time to paint. I got this paint here. Where is it? There's paint. So I was looking on all the SCAMP forums and looking at what I could do for paint, and basically the consensus seemed to be, and what John Welsford said, was that you just use some oil-based enamel paint. Didn't need to use fancy boat paint or anything. So that's what I've got. It's a sort of a nice blue color. Oh, I forget what the actual name was. It was something to do with the sea. Anyway, so I'll get all this sanded down, and then it'll be time to get the undercoat on. This is what I got. This is what the guy at the hardware store said. What do I do? Stir well before use, blah blah blah. Oh, the guy put it in a shaky machine, so I think that's good. Apply 1 coat. Alright. Yeah, the whole bottom and sides is done there. 1 litre of paint. Time for the top coat. And I figured out the colour. It's written here. It's Snorkel Sea. It's pretty nice. You gonna give me a hand?
Yeah.
Chars. We're gonna get the Snorkel Sea applied to the undercoat. This is the first coat done. Obviously it looks a bit patchy, but yeah, that's first coat for you. That's enough of that, eh? Well, there she is, with the bottom painted. A nice blue. I think it's quite a lovely colour. So once this paint is all dried, then she'll be ready to turn back over. I do need to take the tape out of that plug and hope that nothing bad has seeped in. Well, that'll do. Thanks for watching, and subscribe or whatever. This has been another episode of Building a Scamp. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time.